Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this one. Module 5 assessment. So question 1. A dash is a common multiple of 2 or more denominators. So it says common multiple right here. So it's not going to give you the answer. So it's not going to say common multiple. It doesn't say equivalent fraction. But it doesn't say anything about an equivalent fraction, so it can't be an equivalent fraction. So what we have left is the first one. It's denominators. That's a hint. So it's this one. There's not always a hint, but for this one, I just figured it's a hint. So it's this one, common denominator. Okay, estimate the sum or difference. So it doesn't mean estimate the sum, you estimate these. And I got it right. So it's gonna be 1, and that's gonna be 1/2. Since you add them, it's gonna be 1/1/2. Oh, oopsies. 1/1/2. 3/5 minus 5/8. 1/2 and 3/1/2. So it's gonna equal 3. Four. 156 plus 2 to 11. So this, we're adding it. So where you do it. So that's gonna be 2, and that's gonna be 2 equals 4. That's the easiest one I saw. So this one, you can just do mental math. Least common denominator would be 10. So it's gonna be 4/10, 4/10, and 1/10. I'm gonna make a line so we can do the work on the other side of the line. So for this one, we'll have to do the work. So for this one, the least common denominator, we'll find out later. So right now we're focusing on what we will get. So let's put the table. Even though I know it, let's just do it for you guys. 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, I think 24 is in this table too. I think it is. And it should be. 16. And then after this is 24. And then we're gonna, since they're the same, it's 24, 24, the least common denominator would be 24. So 5 out of 6 times, it's the fourth one in the table, so we're gonna do 4 out of 4 equals 24 is the denominator and 20 is the numerator. So 3 out of 8 times 3 out of 3, since it's the third one in the table, in the 8 times table, it equals 9 out of 24. So the answer is gonna be 2024 and like 2024, 20 out of 24 and 9 out of 24. Next is 7, 1/3 to 7. Least common denominator would be something like 21. So we're gonna do 1/3 times 7 out of 7 equals 7 out of 21. And then 2 out of 7 times 3 out of 3. That's a 7. Equals, I'm gonna put the equals here because there's no, even if I write it, it's gonna be super dark. So I'm gonna do 6 out of 21. It's gonna be 7 out of 21 and 6 out of 21. 7 out of 21, 6 out of 21. Okay, here's my law strategies you're going to do. Let's write your answer in the simplest form. Okay, 1/6 times 3 out of 3 equals 3 out of 18. So it's asking us to subtract 11 out of 18 minus 3 out of 18, which equals 8 out of 18. And that can't be simplified. So 8 out of 18 is the least is the simplest form. What? Oh, we could divide it by 2 to make it further simplified. So it's going to be 8 out of 18 divided by 18. 8 out of 18 divided by 2 out of 2. It's going to be 4 out of 9. And that can't be simplified. So that answer is 4 out of 9. Sorry if I confused you guys, but the answer is 4 out of 9.